Gary's trying to make a target for us.
I made it show my bow.
Yeah, so you can shoot your bow. This is an offcut from a log. That big belly of oatmeal. I want to go take a nap. Take your bed for half an hour. It's like nap time. Want to go shoot your bow?
Yep.
Okay, left hand, and then your palm down. Okay, lay it on, flip it in. Nope, turn around. Grab the bow with your left hand. Yeah. Grab the bow with your left hand.
This is my right hand.
That's your left hand. Okay. Palm down. Lay the arrow. Put the off color towards you. Click. Yep. What are you doing? No, that's it. You don't let go with the left hand. There you go. Yeah, first shot. Good job. Okay, so keep the bow in your left hand. How it should be. Grab another arrow. Palm down. You're going too fast. Grab the arrow. Take it away. Hey. Palm down. There you go. Nope. Nope, nope, no. No, very dangerous. Don't put that anywhere near your face. Once you have this in your hand like that, it never moves. That's it. You just always have the bow in your left hand. Almost. Just missed to the left. Alright, second shot. Third shot, I mean. Just missed. Okay. We'll collect them. Yeah, you can totally make a scoring grid on that. Yeah.
And then like
Come on,
here,
shoot again.
And then like that's just and that's just 5.
I'll get you set up. My battery's almost dead. We only got a minute, so. Left hand. Is that how you shoot? There you go. Arrow. Right hand. Just missed. So when you're aiming, realize that you're going high left. So now from now on, do this. Aim at the bottom right and realize that because the way you let go, it's going to go right to the center. So go to the bottom right of the target.
Bottom.
Right. Yep.
So bottom.
Bottom right. Yep. What was that?
I don't know.
grab the last one. What the heck?
I don't know.
All right, last shot. Yeah!
Oh my God.
And because we stick it in the dirt, we can see where the shots hit. Yeah, so let's see where you hit. Because you've hit it twice. You have one right here. It looks like maybe that one right there, but you definitely just hit it right there. I think, actually, that might have been your first hit right up there. But what a shot. Good job, hon. Proud of you.
They keep bouncing off.
Of course they do. You have practice points on there. And that bow is like a maybe 10 or 15 pound pull. It's very light. Come here, hon. I'm gonna try to shoot this thing just for fun. This bow is like a 10 pound, 15 pound bow, something like that. I'm like a 30-inch draw length. And it's gonna be like a, you know, I can't even like really draw it. Just be for fun.
You're going way further.
Yeah, why not? If I can even be in frame, I don't think so. I'm doing a very good job filming.
I'll film. Good.
So I'm trying to bend down so they can kind of see what I'm doing. Oh. All right. Rinky-dink-a-dink-dink. Curve to the right, you see that?
Maybe the way that you shoot it, you're supposed to aim to the left instead of me. Alright. I'm the right down.
Yeah. It curved to the right, like.
I'm right down.
Actively.
I mean, yeah, I'm down right.
Almost. Oh, I gotta do this again.
I know, it's a kitty bow. It's a kitty bow. No, literally, it's a kitty bow.
All these guy lines everywhere.
Kitty bow, kitty bow, kitty bow. Who wants a kitty bow?
Man, is that curve to the right? That is savage. Yeah, buddy. You guys still there? Yeah. Did you see that? You didn't even see that, did you?
Dad,
Bam!
with a kitty bow. With
Little,
a kitty bow.
little kitty bow.
Kitty bow.
Or 20 yards or something probably. Alright, I'm gonna zoom in.
Good one, a kitty
Get
bow.
together. Oh my god. My tripod's acting crazy. Okay, alright. I'm right here next to the camera again. Try to shoot one more time.
Try to get it in the center.
Whoa, curved right around. Did you see that? The fletchings almost hit the target. Got a brutal tail on it. Alright, anyways. Fun times, hanging out in the woods. Good job, sweetheart. You did great.
Kitty bow, kitty
Yeah, kitty bow. Here you go, here's your bow back.
Yay.
Alright, go shoot some more. What's up, guys and gals? I don't drink soda. We never drink soda. It's like an every 6 months kind of thing. Anyways, my wife does sometimes. And like once a month she'll buy a 6-pack of soda. So I grabbed 2 of these for like a special snack, surprise snack. So she just had her first sip of root beer ever. She's 7, so that tells you how much we drink soda. But I'm like, wow, this is pretty good. And Gary's like, yeah, this is good. And so I just looked at the ingredients. Hanson's, by the way, since 1935 it says. Let's see these ingredients. So it has, you know, cane sugar, caramel color, natural flavor. But then it says natural spices of wintergreen, birch, anise, and sassafras, and vanilla. What? Dude, what soda has wintergreen, birch, anise, and sassafras in it? That's crazy. I don't know about the anise, but I know obviously wintergreen, birch, and sassafras grow in these woods. That's for sure.
Yeah, the woods that were in right like this second.
These woods, yeah.
We even saw some wintergreen.
Yep, we ate some wintergreen yesterday and some black birch as well.
Blackbird?
Yeah, the only thing we didn't have out of that was sassafras so far.
He's young yet.
Yeah, I mean, it's only noon. We might still find some. That's crazy. Like, what? I mean, I don't know.
Very healthy.
I don't have soda very often, but I don't remember soda being that cool.
Healthy. It's
Yeah.
very healthy.
It is. It's not just like artificial flavors. Anyways, thought I'd share that. Check this out. Hanson's. The logo is actually above the can. It's all smooth, and you get to the logo, and it's like raised up. It's interesting. So check it out, man. It's pretty cool. Good for them. Pretty neat. All right, want to share that later. Hold this up instead so you can get out hung up. Alright guys and gals of YouTube, later. This is a rough trail.
Yep, it's always really...
You gotta watch out for stumps. There's a big stump over here. Two of them actually, but... Just went over it. I'm gonna put my wheel on it so I don't damage the truck.
Another stump.
Yep.
Stump time.
Yep, that one's massive. Yep, that one's serious. There's another big one right on the left. Big rock, big stump. Gotta dodge that. We made it. Just heading out of the woods, guys. Just in the middle of the forest. And the Jeep. Massive rocks over here, gotta watch out for that.
Stop!
Yeah.
Stop!
Like
Stop!
big rocks.